Hey guys, it's Lauren with Lockhart Tactical, and today we will be eating a Just Add Water meal by Happy Yak Express. So a box of these just arrived today, and we thought that it would be a fun idea to show you guys how easy it is to prepare. Before we get started, we just wanted to emphasize the fact that these are manufactured in Canada, they are totally vegan and lactose free. In this video I'm going to be using the Infinity Bowl, Plate and Cup set by GSI. I'll also be using their 3-piece cutlery set. You can find these on our website in our camping and outdoor category. Now on to the fun stuff, we're going to start cooking. So step 1 is reading the instructions. Alrighty, so add boiling water, mix well, seal bag, and let stand for 15 to 18 minutes, stirring once or twice. We're going to open the bag and actually put it in our boiling water. And we'll let it sit for 15 to 18 minutes, stirring once or twice. Okay. Smells good. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's what it looks like on the inside. It's kind of like a package of ramen. Okay. We just wanted to note that we added 500 milliliters of water to our pot and brought it to a boil, and then added in our soup ranchero. So here's what it looks like now. We have to let it sit for 15 more minutes, and then we'll be back. Just wanted to also let you guys know that you could also pour the water in here and let it sit rather than using a pot. Alright, so it's been 15 minutes, and now I'm going to put it in my infinity bowl and see what it tastes like. Perfect. Got my soup in my infinity bowl, and we're going to try it. Let's just put it on the record that I'm not a very adventurous food person. That's amazing. And I thought it was going to be like space food, like that goo that you can get in tubes, and it tastes like a cheeseburger or something. But it's really, really good. It's great that this is lactose free because I am lactose intolerant, so for any people out there like that. And the vegan aspect of it never hurts. Generally means it's quite a bit healthier. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like, comment down below, subscribe to our channel, share with your friends, and better yet, go purchase some of this, because you won't regret it. This has been Lauren with Lockhart Tactical, over and out.